I know, right? But talking about just how warm that it's expected to be, we've been looking back at where we've been so far for the month of July, and we're a little over halfway there. But looking at all those days where you see the background is the blue, those are days where the temperature was actually below normal. So most of the days that we've had in July, believe it or not, it's been below normal. We've only had 2 days in there where temperatures made it above the average high. Today, I think we're going to be right at average. Right now, it's pretty warm. It's not terribly humid yet. There is a heat index. This is our Fort Worth camera. It's gorgeous outside right now. The better part of the day is when you get up in the morning and you go outside after, of course, that you watch the morning show. But right now, temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s. So while it's warm, it's not oppressive by any means. We actually have a little bit of cloud cover to the south and east. It's trying to fall apart. Had a few raindrops maybe around Mejia. That's also fallen apart. So we are looking dry for the day, and it is going to be warming up quite a bit, especially the farther north and west you go. I mean, 100 degrees in Archer City later today, but 97 in Decatur, 95 today in McKinney, 94 in Terrell, 92 though in Waxahachie. Overnight tonight, our skies are going to stay mostly clear. It's going to stay a little breezy. That one's going to be out of the south. It's also going to be pretty muggy, but temperatures drop down into the mid and upper 70s again tomorrow morning. We've been looking at this pattern the past few days now. You can still see maybe a very weak disturbance over the center part of Texas, and that is still bringing parts of Texas, maybe a few raindrops, but that's it. Obviously a little bit of cloud cover too, but you also notice all the clouds moving right around Texas. That's where that ridge of high pressure is. This pattern is going to be pretty persistent for the next at least week and a half, maybe even a couple of weeks. So the ridge of high pressure is definitely going to get rid of the rain chances. It's going to allow temperatures to climb, and it looks like they're going to be climbing pretty high. So we're going to be in the upper 90s for the next several days, but the heat index will be anywhere between about 100 to maybe even 105 at times. Today, though, mostly sunny, a high of 96 overnight tonight. We're dropping down into the mid 70s, but over the next couple of days, temperatures will hang out in the upper 90s. So it's going to get pretty hot, a mix of sun and clouds all the way through the next weekend. By the time we look at that second half of the 14-day, we're still only seeing 1 day in there where we actually do have a chance of rain. That day's been kind of changing here and there, and it's going to continue to change. We'll fine tune it as we get closer, but for now, it's just hot. Natalie, back to you.
Classic Texas.